The Universe 25 experiment. The idea of Universe 25, from American scientist John Calhoun, who created an ideal world where hundreds of mice would live and reproduce. More specifically, Calhoun built what he called the paradise of mice, a specially designed space where rodents had abundant food and water, as well as ample living space. Initially, he placed 4 pairs of mice, who quickly began reproducing, resulting in a rapidly expanding population. However, after 315 days of reproduction, their numbers began to decline significantly. When the rodent population reached 600, a hierarchy formed among them, and then what's called ghouls emerged. Larger rodents began attacking the group, causing many males to psychologically drop out. As a result, the females stopped protecting themselves and instead became aggressive towards their offspring. Over time, the females exhibited increasingly aggressive behavior, elements of isolation, and a lack of reproductive mood. Birth rates decreased, and simultaneously, there was an increase in the death rate among younger rodents. Then, a new class of male mice emerged, called beautiful mice. They refused to mate with females or to fight for their space. They only cared about food and sleep. At one point, beautiful men and isolated women were the majority of the population. Over time, teenage deaths reached 100% and reproduction reached 0. Among the endangered mice, homosexuality was observed, and at the same time, cannibalism increased despite the abundance of food. 2 years after the experiment began, the last babies of the colony were born. By 1973, he had killed the last mouse in Universe 25. John Calhoun repeated the same experiment 25 times more, and each time the result was the same. Calhoun's scientific work has been used as a model for interpreting social collapse, and his research serves as a focal point for urban sociology studies.